Hey, what? Ray Mac. Hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Hey YouTube fam, we're about to make us some brisket rub, all right? This is gonna be homemade brisket rub. Ingredients is this. We got some soy sauce, then we have some brown sugar, some garlic salt, some ground black pepper, some paprika, chili powder with some celery salt, along with some homemade barbecue seasoning. You can use your store-bought barbecue seasoning with this as well. First thing we're gonna do is go ahead and get us a container, and we're gonna pretty much mix in all of our ingredients. As you can see in this video, I'm starting off with the brown sugar, all right? And I'm not measuring anything, so if you guys know me right now, I don't like measuring ingredients whenever I cook. I just want you guys to pretty much eyeball this to your perfection. So I got the brown sugar going in, and I have some garlic salt. As you can see, I'm not using any raw kosher salt, and you'll see why. All right, so I got some black pepper here going in. And the next thing that I'm going to toss in right now is going to be the paprika. This definitely is going to be the best, ultimate brisket rub you ever want to try. Okay, I'm exaggerating. So we got some chili powder going inside the container. But if you give this recipe a try, I guarantee you're going to like it, man. I'm telling you, you're going to like it. So I'm experimenting on a little small piece of brisket here. I got garlic salt, okay? And then I'm going to toss in some of my homemade barbecue seasoning. You could use some of your store-bought seasoning, or you could just pretty much make up your own barbecue seasoning and toss in. I looked at this and I just say, forget it. Let me just toss in the rest. That's exactly what I did. I tossed in all my barbecue seasoning. You can't go wrong with this here recipe. Go ahead and take your favorite container, put a lid on it, shake everything up, combine everything. Remember that we put brown sugar inside this container so that brown sugar will lump up. So the best thing to do is just go ahead and start breaking up some of the big lumps that you have in your seasoning, all right? Try to smooth the seasoning out the best way possible. So anytime you're dealing with brown sugar, it will lump up. We can see how good it looks, y'all. This is a good blend. This is an excellent blend. Now, what I'm gonna do next is just take that soy sauce and rub it on the brisket. It don't matter what size brisket that you have. If you want to try this here recipe, all right? So you can just go ahead and just take some soy sauce, rub it all over your brisket. Like I say, this is a little small test brisket. I just wanted to find out how these flavors would come together. And when I did this recipe, I found out that it was that the flavors was off the chain. Now, the reason why I didn't use kosher salt in this video is because, as you can see, with the celery salt and with the other container, other seasoning that had salt in it, along with the soy sauce, that was a lot of sodium. So that's all the salt that I needed. And after that, I just went on and I put the rub right on top of this here brisket. And I'm telling you right off gate, you guys need to give this a try. Definitely give this brisket rub recipe a try for your next barbecue cook. You won't be disappointed. I guarantee you that much. All right. So after you got your brisket all seasoned up and ready to roll, you ready to hit your smoker, hit your grill, hit your charcoal grill, your gas grill, your pellet grill, whatever grill you're gonna use. I guarantee you this recipe will make your brisket a sensation. All right, so that's about it. Enjoy the rest of the video. Hi. I want to say thank you so much for checking out Ray Matt's Kitchen and Grill. If you're not a subscriber to this here YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you will be notified of up and coming videos. Do me a favor and also hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know exactly what type of YouTube videos you would like to see in the future. I always say this at the end of my video: love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. I love you guys. Peace.